Today I will go for the video for the activity 3. Okay, so the activity, I'll just show the question. So here we have cooling element, heating element, temperature sensor, MCU. So what is going to do is I'll tell you, like, what we will do is like, see here, this is a smart controller. Okay, actually it's a temperature controller. Now what we are doing is, we are going to add a temperature sensor. Then we have cooling element, yani AC, then heating element like heater. So we will read the temperature of the room. If the temperature is too high, then we have to turn on the AC cooling element. If the temperature is too low, then we have to turn on the heater. That's what we're going to do. Okay, so this one actually, this temperature control, I just change the name as meaningful. No, so temperature controller, put this temperature controller. Okay, just time for meaningful purpose making. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do is I want to add a temperature sensor, the device which is used to read the temperature from the outside environment. Okay, so here we have temperature sensor. Okay, sensor. Now other one, we have cooling element and heating element. Okay, so cooling element means like AC. Okay, so cooler, see here, air cooler. Okay, cooling element. So I'll just put cooler. Then we need heating element or heater. I'll go for heater. See, this is heater. I'll go for heater. Then we need MCU for controlling, right? So programming, we need MCU. As done. This is a controller. Okay. So I'll make this MCU. Now temperature controller. This has 3 pins. Connect the 3 pins D0, D1, D2 to MCU. So I will take D0. Sorry, what's that? You take a single place. D0 to D0 here. Next one, D1 to D1. D1 also, sorry, what happens? Sometimes no, the cable. D1 to D1. Next is D2 to D2. So all 3 pins done. Now remaining D3, D4, D5. We'll go with D3. So you can check the pin numbers. Okay, I'm using this pin numbers. You can choose any other pin, but program should be updated accordingly. Okay, D4, the input device. Here I am using input device as temperature sensor. Remaining all devices are output device. Okay, this is done. Now we need to add a. They asked you to add hub, right? So hub and switch both almost same, but still I'll go with the hub. As per they told, no hub I'll add here. Okay. Hub is the old layer 2 device. Now we are using switch. Okay, hub just broadcast everything. So this, I'm not going to the theory part for that. Okay, in device I'm going to add a laptop because every time adding PC getting boring. Baba, make this laptop. Now I want to connect this laptop to hub, temperature control to hub to router. Okay, so everything I need straight through cable. So I'll go with straight through here. Router connected. Okay, now we have to take the laptop also. I'll connect to hub. Then when I try to connect temperature controller, Mafi is Mojud. Okay, I think they added already. So fast internet port Mojud already there. Otherwise you have to add, you know how to add. Okay, connected. Then now we need what DHCP service to be configured in cloud server, because we know I don't want to check the question paper. I just go here. Okay, if you want to see the values, you have to give in the which one DHCP, you can check here. Okay, so what I did is added cooling element, heating element, temperature sensor, MCU, added hub, laptop, cooling element, heating element, temperature sensor to MCU to smart controller. Done. Temperature controller using, actually it is 2 connections, not 3. Sorry, not 2, 3 connections we need. Okay, first pin, second pin, third pin. So there's a small change. The question, you have to use 3 digital connection. Okay, I think the question I got from Muscat. No, there's small correction there. Okay, so make it 3 digital connection. Then LC, that controller and end device laptop hub I already connected. Router to hub done. Then fan I need to add. Okay, here I want to add a fan. So fan I want to add here to the switch. Let me take the straight through. You know that any device connected to switch or hub, we need straight through cable. I'll take the straight through. Here there is no straight through, only digital board. What I should do? Go back to the device. To add the Ethernet port. So go to advanced IO config. I make this as CFE or fast Ethernet. Okay, then I will take the same straight through cable 0 bar 4 towards fan fast Ethernet port. Okay, because switch has only fast Ethernet. Okay, I'll get the name as fan. Now what I do is I want to turn on the DHCP service. What is the starting IP? 200.165.209.3. Okay. What about the IoT service? My home pass. Okay, so I'll go back here. Go to the, this is the cloud server or DHCP. Okay, so to make this orange amber to green, I have to turn on this which one? Fast forward button. Okay, click the fast forward. Go to cloud server. Go to services. DHCP mojud. So already there's a pool there. So I have to turn on service pool. Now nothing is given there. So what should I do? What is given there? 209.165.209. I think dot 3 they are given, right? Let me check the question, Baba. Yes, dot 3 and mask is 255, 255, 255, 255.0. Save it. Okay. Because already the pool was there, so that's why I'm not adding. I'm adding a new pool. Existing pool, add something and just save. Don't forget to click the DHCP on. Okay, Amira, Taif, and all right, because they are far away from me. Okay, you're sitting in Salala, that's why. Okay, now it's done. After that, go to services, IoT turn on. Then I need to add the username password. For that, I want to set the check the IP address of this server, IoT server. Go to services again. Okay, sorry, desktop again. Close this. Go to IoT monitor. Okay, then I want to add this IP address, okay, of the server. Login admin. There is no username password. Sign up now. What is the username password given in the question paper? It's my home pass. Okay, my home pass. Okay, done. Create. That is done. Now we want to enable DHCP IP address in. You have to receive IP address dynamically in laptop and this device and this fan. So no need to click all devices. Okay, just please keep your eyes open. Check what I written there. Enable DHCP client on fan SC, that security control and end device. Okay, so go here, laptop, go to desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. You will get 10 something from the router. Done. Now temperature controller we put SLC, right? So it should be again, go to config, fast Ethernet mojud. So already a DHCP is chosen, so you got the IP. Then fan also you have to go here, open the fan, config, fast Ethernet already there, DHCP. You'll get the IP in 209 range. Okay, 200. What was the value I gave here? Let me check. See, the IP address here is okay, 200 and let me check the IP address here. 200 dot. Okay, but here what about here? DHCP also 200. Okay, so no issue. DHCP. I didn't save. Start with 3, right? So 3. Now save. Okay, now it's done. 200 is done. Okay. Now after that, what should I do? I have to register the device in the IoT server. Okay, so check here. Once it is done, register the LC and light. Actually, not light, fan. Okay, LC and fan to home cloud server. Okay, so here register this device and fan to cloud server. So I'll go here. Remote server already given here. IP is given. Now username is my home. Password is I think home pass. Let me check. I don't remember. Just I'm trying. Guessing. Okay, home pass. I think so. Let me try. No, it's not the username password. Let me check again. What is the first of all IP address of the server? It's 209.165.209.1. Okay. Now what about IoT? My home. I give the this one. See, I give 2H. So what should I do? I will delete this and I will add again because I have made a mistake, Baba. Go here, IoT monitor. I gave by mistake, I gave 2H. Okay, luckily I found out, otherwise no device would have been connected, right? So I'll copy the IP address here. Now when I try, it will not come. So I'll try now my home pass, HOME capital PASS, home pass. Try. Now it's done. Now go to the temperature controller. Go here. Now try. It will refresh. It will show refresh button. Yes, done. Connected. Now again, Amira, Taif, check this. When you are giving the username password for IoT server, if it is connected, it will show refresh button. Okay, if not showing means some galat is there. Config. Go here. Copy paste the IP address of that big server, IoT server here, cloud server. Okay. Then the username is my home. The password is HOME capital PSS. Okay. Now try connect. Done. Refresh. Okay, done. Now you can check the devices in your IoT server. Yes, both are added here. Okay. Now what I have is the main thing, Mr. Program. What is the program here? Input output modules. You have to add import input output pin numbers, read input pin, input reading less than 480, display heater on. Oh, heater on and set first pin to high. Reading greater than 520, cooler on, set second pin to high. Else colon heater off. Okay, first you will do this. Okay, so 480, 520. Okay, we'll do that. So go for the MCU. Do not write the program in TLC because already it is there. So no need to add something. Go to MCU, Baba. MCU. Go to programming. Go to programming. I told you new. In the new, go to Blink Python. Create main.py. Now, Mr. You told me only input devices temperature sensor is connected to D5. Remaining all D0, D1, D2, D3, D4 all are output device. Okay, so I'll go to pin mode of 0, out, 1, out. Now 2, 3, 4 all those pins. So I'll copy. Control C. Control V. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened? Now 4 also I want to make it output. Okay, 4 also out. Done. Sorry, out should be capital. Now fifth pin which I connected temperature sensor should be input. Okay, so here there is a mistake. See, PIN capital M then ODE. Now fifth one should be input. Okay, so pin mode of 5, in. That is done. Now what I will do, I want to read the input from temperature sensor. So before that, I want to check the temperature sensor is analog or digital. That's the main thing I have to check, right? So go here. I think I forgot the same in the classroom also. Go here. Go to the specification. Okay. So what happened? It's not coming. Actually, the specification when I was checking in the college, it was showing SC analog read. So we should connect the analog pin better. Value 0 to 255. Okay, so I will connect. I will just remove this. What is that pin number? Okay. Not cancel. I have to delete only the cable. Okay, not the temperature sensor. Just I want to remove this cable. So this one. Sometimes this mouse will not work properly. Cancel. Oof. It's killing my time, Baba. Yes. Okay. Go here. Now IoT custom cable. I will choose A0 to A0. Now when you go here, make the input pin not D5, it's A0. Okay, done. Now I am going to read the temperature. So T equal to, when I am using analog port, it should be analog read of A0. Okay, analog read, see the analog small letter read R capital. Okay, now what was the condition? If t less than 480, see, check the condition, Baba, you can write easily. T less than 480, heater on, first pin to high for SC. Okay, so here T less than 480, then colon. What should I do? Make the heater on. So heater is actually digital pin. Okay, fourth pin. Okay, so what I will do? Digital write of 4 comma high. Done. Then make the first pin of temperature controller to high. That means here 0, 1, 2, 3 pins are there. You have to check the turn on the first pin, any 0th pin. So same statement I copy paste, because you know I for uploading the video in this YouTube, not it needs minimum time, so I cannot take more time. So 0th pin, that's the first pin in the temperature controller, 0th pin to high. That is done. Now I'll go for else part. L, if because I have so many three if statements, okay. If only one condition, one I can use if and else, but here we have three. So L if T greater than 520, I think. Let me check that value. I'm not clear. I see Rajesh RK always clear. See, greater than 520, cooler on, second pin to high. So go here in the MCU. What I will see, what I forget is I forget the colon. When I forget the colon, see Amira, when I put the colon, wherever cursor is taking you, there you want to type. Okay. So here I am again lazy, copy pasting this one, Control C, where the cursor is taking me. Digital write off. Now I want to make the cooler on. So cooler is actually 0, 1, 2, 3, third pin high, and this one second pin of this one high. SLC. Now else part. If all two conditions are wrong, means what I should do? Make both heater and cooler off. Okay, and last pin of the temperature controller should be high. So I'll go here, third, both AC and which one? Cooler should be off. Okay, so AC off, that is in third pin, and heater also should be off. So digital write off 4 comma low. Then the last pin of temperature control is 0, 1, 2, that is high now. With that, both the heater and cooler off, third pin is 0, 1, 2, third pin is off now. Now we can add the sleep, no? If you want, you can add. Now maybe sometimes we need to see the output more interval. Okay, that's it. We need some time for refresh. No? So if you are putting no sleep means what happens, the output will be changing, keep on changing in every instance. That's why for a delay we put sleep point one. Okay, now this is done, remaining no need. Now let me see the output. Okay, before that what I should do, I have to run the temperature control also, this one also programming, already this JavaScript program. Okay, run this, it is running here. Here also I want to go and run the MCU. See, no error. Okay, because who is doing? Understand, Mr. Umran? Now what should I do? I want to print the, see, now heater is on. How it is on? See, I want to print the value of temperature, and then only we can check. Okay, how do we print this? Stop this program. See, temperature is stored in the variable capital T. T equal to analog read of A0. A0 I connected temperature sensor. Analog read means I am reading the value of A0 pin using analog read. So I will read that value. Now I will print the value. I want to check whether it is less than 480 or greater than 520 or anything else. So print, I will put a message, temperature is capital T. Okay, now run this. Now see what's the temperature. Sorry, this is a message. What should I do? Is double quotes comma this one, because inside the string it will print only string. Okay, whatever you put inside the brackets, double quotes, it will be the same message. To print a value, a variable value, you have to put it outside the double quotes. Okay, now let's see. Temperature is 509. See, 509 means above 520. Above 520 means what should be on? Let me check here. See, 509 is less than 520, right? 520 means more. 509 less means heater should be on. See, now heater is on. Whenever the temperature is above 520, cooler will become on. So we are waiting. We want to wait for the temperature sensor to go above 520, then only cooler will be on. Now it is less than 520, that's why heater on. Filter is in 4th pin. Okay, we will go through that. Okay, it will take some time. In the exam, maybe I will give you different values so that you can make the cooler also on. So if you are making 520, it will take a lot of time for temperature to read. Okay, that is working. So keep it going on. Now go for the server conditions. Log into home cloud server from the end device laptop. SC is off means turn off fan. SC is dim means turn on fan low speed. SC is state bright means fan high speed. Okay, so I'll go to the end device first, laptop. So go to browser. Sometimes the browser takes a lot of time, right? So it takes, it's killing you. Make it fast, Baba, make it fast. Okay, I think it will come now. Okay, now IP address of cloud server 200.165.209.1, I guess. Let me try. Yes, my guess are all correct. Okay, now my home is the username. Sorry. My home is the username. Password is HOME capital PASS. Okay, done. Sign in. Now two devices. Now go to condition. What is the condition? So add here condition 1. Instead of typing condition 1, I just copy paste this one. Exam you cannot do that because there is no okay, copy paste. So SC state is off. Turn off fan. Dim low speed. Okay, bright. Actually it is what should be written is SC pin high, SC pin first pin high, second pin high, third pin. Actually it should have been done like that, but they put like this. Okay, let's see. I'll go to the copy this one. Now go here, condition I put here. Okay, now what's that? The temperature controller set light is off. Okay, that's what they put. Okay, set light is off means what should I do? Turn off the fan. Fan should be status turn off. Done. Now SC is dim. Turn on fan low speed. SC is, sorry, what happened? Dim. So here light controller set light is dim, fan low speed. So go here, fan status low speed. Okay, conditions are not added up. Let's see. It is not added. Let's see that. Okay, we'll add one more, then check that SC is bright. It take a lot of time. Bright means turn on high speed fan. Okay, so this one is bright, then fan high speed. Okay, fan status high. Okay, I added condition, but it is not happening. Let's see what happened here. Home, can I see the devices here? is there, but when I go for conditions, what was the problem? Why condition is not coming there? Hmm. Why condition not there? Let me log out and try again. I added the condition, but I don't know what happened there. Okay, I will do one thing. I will put this condition directly in the server itself. Okay, maybe sometime because of the end device problem. So go to the cloud server itself directly. Now it's there. Conditions I can add directly. Let me see here. So SC is off, right? First one SC is off. Then SE is off. What I will do, make that temperature controller. Oh, sometimes no. It's mouse and all. It is off. Mean then set fan status off. What happened? Conditions are not added. Sometimes. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. I'll save this file and open, close it and open again. Oh, let me try the. This is running. Is running. Maybe let's stop this one and try the condition. Okay, stop this. Both stop the stop both MCU and the temperature controller. Now go to the desktop monitor. Let's try now here from the directly cloud server. We'll save this file and open again. Packet tracer no sometimes take lot of time. See, so here my home JOME capital PASS. What happened? We have that username password. No, let me check the IP address. So it's cloud server is not opening. Give the IP address 209.200.165.209.1. Now go here, my home pass HOME capital PASS. Now add condition. Now try add say what SC off. So go here, temperature controller off, then set fan is off. It's not added. So do one thing, close this, save the file. I think last time it happened for ISRA, right? Same thing we are doing. Okay, I saved the file, final practice 3 session server, same. I'll close this, save this file. Now I'll open it again, same file I'll open again. Oh. And today my YouTube video will take a lot of time. It has always tell me make it less than 15 minutes, but this is going to be the big one. I think a lot of time for uploading. So sometimes happens already. Now whether I'm running this program run, also this one run, go to cloud server again, add the condition desktop IoT monitor, go to conditions. Now this device is controllable. Yes, it is controllable. Yes, see directly, go to conditions, go here, add SC off. If temperature controller is satellite is off, then set fan equal to status is off. Another rule same. Okay, already rule is there. Then why it is not showing? Okay, I'll put some off 2 like that. Actually it's added, I don't know why it is not coming, it's added there somewhere. Okay, all the conditions are there. Okay, leave it. Now let's see, it's working. Conditions added but we cannot see, but it's working. See, when the conditions on, this is sure that the fan is on. Okay, high. So temperature 509, like that the fan is working. Okay, so let it be, it works. The condition I show know how to write, so I add the condition, now it's working. So when the temperature goes down, it takes time, so based on that the fan will change the position. Okay, so if I go to change the condition, like I make this 300, okay, and this one greater than 300, 300, okay, what will happen? Let's see. So you have to stop this and run this. Okay, now see, see, is 509 greater than 300, so what happened? Cooler is on now. Okay, it's on now. Like this you want to change. So here see, fan is running very slow. Okay, this is the program. So one more thing you have to do is, so whenever you turn on the, see here, whenever we turn on the AC, that heater, that time the other one should be low, right? Which one? AC. So what should I do? I have to copy this one, otherwise no. After the status, still that AC, see that after the condition happened, the heater is still on. Actually AC only should be on, heater should be off, right? So what I will do, whenever you are not using one device, that should be given low status. Because here I am opening only heater, so that time AC should be off. The same thing here, when the AC is on, cooler should be off, Baba. Cooler should be off. Cooler is fourth tip, right? So cooler should be off. Now when you try this one, you can see the difference. 489. So this one is done. Okay, done. Okay, heater is off now. Okay, this is what working. So this is the program. I'll copy the program in the Word file. Okay, only thing is condition is working, but our problem is it's not shown here. So what you do is, whenever you have the program, no, whenever you write the code, even it is not added also, whenever you add the condition in the, which one, IoT server, take the screenshot and put in the Word file. It is already there, but I cannot add again because it's already there. So what happens, whenever you type the condition, no, take the screenshot, put in the Word file, and it works. Okay, that's also, I think ISRA, that's a main solution. Okay, it's working. See, based on that, it's working. So that's all for this video. I'll just stop this video recording. Okay, hope you understood. Sorry, it took a lot of time because that opening, closing, and all. No.